Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. This video is about my shop. I got a lot of things going on today out here. I'm gonna show you what's happening here pretty quick. I got my DIY automatic gear oil transfer pump loading up right now to add some gear oil to my next restore, which is restore number 92. It's 1966 9.5 horsepower Evinrude. Alright, she's ready to go, so I'm going to turn the petcock on her and let her fill up with oil. It'll take about 30 seconds. All will be coming out here in a minute. While we're doing that, I'm going to introduce you to my eBay store manager. This is Matthew. Tell everybody hi, Matthew.
Hey.
Matthew comes and he works 10 hours a week for me. He takes my motors apart that I pick. Y'all seen my video out there about picking motors. Here's a 1959 35 horsepower, Matthew.
Yes, sir.
That I picked up in North Georgia. Matthew takes them apart, lays them out on the bench, cleans what needs to be cleaned, takes pictures. That's the Matthew's photo studio. Takes pictures, and then he comes on the computer and he makes the eBay listings, finds out the pricing, competitive pricing. He does all that himself, and then he comes every day and does the shipping. Huh, Matthew?
Yes, sir.
And I pay you big money, right, Matthew?
Yes, sir.
Right. We're doing it one part at a time. Let's go see if my gear oil pump is putting out oil. Not yet. We're still waiting. It'll be coming out pretty soon. T-Mike shop. And Matthew, you got air conditioning. You got music playing. You know, I can't put the music on. YouTube don't like that background music. Matthew likes classic country, right, Matthew?
Yes, sir.
I'm a rock and roll, but he's classic country. There it comes. I'm gonna turn off the petcock and do a little cleanup, seal it up. She's ready to go. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all next video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.